guys, it's Devin from Neptune Design here, and I thought I'd just make a quick video for you guys just to show you how to change your YouTube channel icon. This was requested by a client of mine, but I think this will help a whole lot of people out as well. Okay, so I'm in the main Google window, and as you can see here, this is in viewing mode. Now I'm going to click on my icon and I'm going to go to my channel. Okay, now once you are in your YouTube channel, you'll see customize channel and YouTube Studio Beta. We're not going to click any of those. We are going to click next to our name, and we're going to click on this photograph here, and it's going to ask us to edit our profile picture, right? And the picture comes from our Google account. Okay, so we're going to click on edit there, and it's basically going to take us through to our Google account. It's going to ask us to upload a photo, and you guys probably know what to do from there. So that's real quick and easy how to change your YouTube channel profile icon. Thanks. If you like this video, like or subscribe, and check the links in the description below for more information.